Alright, back again. About 12 minutes late till open, not a problem. Because things don't really happen for some reason right off open. Usually takes about 15 minutes for any bigger action to happen, so a little late, but it is what it is. I'm gonna show you my levels in a second, but first off, going with news, we don't have news today. We did have news, but it all got delayed because of the shutdown, as you know, so not really no premise in really getting into anything at the moment. Spot 666 level here, break of 666. I like shorts on the downside to 665 and below. That is if we break and have a continuous breakout for shorts. But my premise, if we retrace back up, is the highs of yesterday. We break it, retest, and we get back to 673. That is my premise on SPY and ES. So we break above 666.6 for shorts, down to 665 and 663, and then we retrace back up. If we do have a good day there, we break yesterday's high to 670, and then we break out to 673. QQQs, the Qs, NQ and QQQ. Level here of 605. I want to see us break up to 608 and get back up to 610, around 610 for longs. But if we break 605s, I'd like to get into shorts back down to 602s. But a little bit of a premise here, because Qs are stronger than SPY at the moment because the semis are strong. So at the end of the day, this will all be relying on how the semis react. So it might be a good day for QQs if we can sort of break yesterday's highs of 606.7 and get back up to 608. We will see. Nvidia not having as bad of a day as it did yesterday and the day before with the sell-off right off open multiple times. So I don't know, we might get a retrace back up to 184. I'd look for a reject off of 184, obviously. And if we can break through it, we'd most definitely get back to 190 probably. But we will see. We will see. Like I said, no news because everything's delayed. So we will see. Nice little pop up though. Come. Looks like we're holding on SPY. We might get that little break and retest after all. Give it some time though. Fuck off. Let's see, if we were to have data, right? What would it be? What would the data be? It's Thursday. See, our data would have been, but they took it out, right? Okay, so they took it out. Pretty sure if I can see it because it was delayed. So, yep. We had jobless claims. I can't really see it in here, but yeah, they took all that out. Okay, never mind. Government shutdown's really fucking some shit up. Cute. Wiccan 608 on SPY. I think he was trying to get down as well to Wiccan the highs of yesterday. Cute. Selling off here. What would we do? Maybe we can get that break on 666 here. Get it. Get back down. Some video doing. Video's still stuttering at the moment. Still stuttering at the moment as well. I expected this with a lot of news that just got delayed. I expected this to pretty much happen. Right now, I'm just looking more at my investments here. In the hopes of SPY, maybe we'll see. Get it. Now we break 666 here. It's not strong enough. This break isn't strong enough. We're already gone to shorts now. It looks to me, with all the volumes going on, there's just not that strong of sellers happening at the moment. I can see here on order flow. So I can't. Even if it does go down, it's just not a good confirmation for me because it looks like we're still strong. So I might just wait for a pullback down to 665. We'll see. Like I said, you see we're still holding 666 here. It doesn't look like a clear break of the lows. Not clear of a break yet. Still not warranted. Not warranted in getting into anything. Get it. See, still defending here. We're still defending 666. Just might get a little cash out to the upside here. So we get to 670. Let's hope. You gotta break the first line of resistance though, and that is the highs of pre-market, which we should do pretty comfortably. The only problem is, again, like I said, no news. And we should have had news today. I think that might be a little catalyst or a little deterrent into any big moves today. Because right now we're still operating in like a about $2 and some change. We're still operating around a $2 change here. We haven't broke. Hold above it. Not too sure about this. VIX got us. VIX starting to sell off. So 21 for the past 2 days has been a clear rejection spot for the VIX. So we will see. Might get that. Reject, start selling off. This could go up, but it still has a bit to go. I think we'll see some downside now. So Let's see if we break the lows of the previous candle. We should get down to 664, 665. If it's strong though. Dead break. Get it, get it, get it. I'm sick, bro. Been a little sick. Forgot to turn this bitch on. I can see my pretty face. Alright. Level still still going. Get it. See, not just a lot of movement going on today. It's already past 10. I don't know if we're going to get anything right now, to be honest. I'm actually about to cop a new little supercar tomorrow. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. First ones. Haven't had one like this in a while. Haven't seen one like this. It's pretty, you know, I wouldn't really consider it like a super car, but it's one of the cars that I've wanted, you know, my whole life. I think it's pretty nice. Let me know in the put down in the comments what you guys think it is. Actually, it's not like a supercar, but it's pretty retro. You know, like back in the day, people wanted this shit. All right, so let me know in the comments if anyone guesses it right. I don't know. I'll give you a kiss, whatever. I don't know. I'll give you some money. Give you some money. Probably won't guess it though. It's pretty It's like no one would really, you wouldn't know what it was if you gotta know cars, bro. You gotta know cars. Let's get it. Hopefully today we'll pay that. Let's see. It's like we're by what I'm looking at here and based on the volume, it looks like we're trying to break below 666 and flush down. And in my opinion, we might actually get that, but it's taken a very, very long time. Too much. Things are just getting too choppy, man. But I think SPY wants lower. I definitely think SPY and ES want lower. The market wants lower, but I might wait until 666 breaks the lows today. Ooh. I'm gonna get some shorts ready on SPY. Getting some shorts ready on SPY. To get another retrace back down to 666, I'm gonna get in a short too. A nice little short. This is a little sweaty short, not gonna lie to you, but I like it a lot, so I don't give a damn. VIX is starting to pick up. If we can break 21 on VIX, maybe. If we break 21 on VIX, just based off previous historical patterns the last 2 days, we're definitely getting a very strong sell-off, so we'll see. This is it. It's risky, yes, but no risk, no Rari. That's the motto I go by. Come on, don't just start selling off there. It looks like this is like the rejection spot though. Yes. Yes. Give me this sell off. Come on. You know you want to do it. Get it. Get it. I was gonna, bro. I was gonna get in, but I still got pushed down. Didn't feel like it too much. Let's see. We'll see again. We'll see. These wicks, but like, you look at me right. Get in the shorts. Look at this fucking shit, dude. Look at this shit. Why would I get in the shorts right now? Look at these fucking wicks. Like, this is literally telling you, please short me under 666. Psych, fuck you. I'm just gonna go right back up. So right now, until we get a clear break, like, I need to see a clear break out of 666, and then I'll get into it. This might be it. This might be it. Come on, Vix. Push up. Push up. Still on there. Alright, fuck. I'm getting the shorts here. Got in the shorts. This is pretty simple here. 66660 is my stop. You know, I'm taking this down to at least 664. Come on, boys. I think we got this. I'm already up like 6%. I'm already up 6%, my guy. We get this. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. See, that fixed break was perfect. The fixed break was perfect. We're up about 12% here. I want to get 665. Yeah, I really want to get 665. That was a clean break. VIX is picking up. VIX is picking up. Give it to me. Give it to me. Clean break. Oh, don't wick just like that, dude. See, this is the thing. It's SPY at the moment. It's Wiki. It's fucking Wiki for some reason. Why is it so Wiki? I hate these wicks, bro. Just give me a direction. Give me the previous candle again, please. If this candle does not, if this candle's, I'm changing my stop above to 660, 6.3. If we turn green on this candle, I'm out because there's literally no point. I think we're good. Make it. This is it, boys. This looks like a clean break. I knew it was gonna happen at some point. Come on. So we saw like 12% in this, but I still don't want it. I need more. I changed my risk to 686.3. This candle turns green because I just don't like it right now. So I'm lightening my risk, especially because with the government shutdown, this is just a risky time. I like this candle. You know, if we break below this candle, I think we're good down to 664. But this is just a tricky market. So we'll see. Bro, it just keeps like teasing it. Alright, my fingers on the trigger here. I'll stop out if we get past the previous candle. I'm out. Sold. Fuck this. Fuck this. This market is ridiculous. Ridiculous, bro. I lightened my risk down, so I didn't really lose anything on this trade. But still, bro, like, this doesn't make any fucking sense. How do we just engulf these previous two candles like that in one candle? Like, they're just taking us out. They're just taking people out for no reason. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. You know, you never know when people losing trades. You know, all you see on social media is people winning trades, but this is real. Traders lose, bro. Traders fucking lose. We're always gonna lose. You know, at least find someone that's accountable and shows you their losses. Like, this is my loss here. I lost this trade. That's just some shit you gotta do, man. You can't just look at, if you see someone that's always winning, they're not. You're getting fooled. All right, you don't always win, bro. This happens, especially in today's market. This will happen, and I will show it to you every single time. But I'm still watching for shorts. Still watching for shorts. I want to try again if we can get it. If we can get it. Only if we can get that shit back down below 666. Bro, this is not getting good. It's not getting good. Market's just so weird. It's choppy for a minute, then this candle happens. Like, this makes no sense. You gotta. That's why you need to be very surgical and very surgical with your entries, especially exits too, bro. You don't want to get caught too much in a trade like this. Definitely size light. Don't go all out. Trust me, it ain't gonna do you any good. Trust me. VIX is a little interesting at the moment, but as you can see, that reject spot I was telling you about on the VIX, we did break it a little bit, but we traced right back down it as soon as it happened. So that would be a little interesting at the moment. It's gonna be a little interesting. If we continue its prehistoric patterns, we're just gonna sell off for a little bit. Yep, dip and rip. Yep. Looks like it's just going. Now we just switch to longs. I don't know. Let's have a long bias. Because now I want to go longs. This looks like a long. But I don't want to do the same thing to me like it did with the shorts. I think it's gonna rip now. After that candle, there's no way. If this just sells off after this candle, yeah, we're gonna rip. We need to go up. Keep it ripping. Mm-mm. I'm actually tired of this right now. I'm tired of Spy. I'm switching. See, the thing is, Nvidia doesn't really offer me anything. It's like they got choppy for too long, bro. I think if they get back up to 184, I think they'll definitely reject it, probably. Yeah. Nvidia is rejected. Nvidia looks like it's gonna maybe. If it does rip up to 184, that could be a good trade too, but I don't think it's gonna happen for a bit. Maybe in the afternoon sesh. Don't look like it. Spy. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna call it here. There's really nothing for me today, or at least right now. Maybe in the afternoon session I'll pick something up, but at the moment I don't see any on Spy until we get past 170 or reject it. On Nvidia, I like to see a nice break of 184 to get to 190s. But if we do reject 184, nice potential spot for shorts back down to 180 and below. We'll see if we can get there. I will have alerts set, but right now I really got nothing. Lost trade, lost about 5K, which way better than what I would have lost because I lessened my risk. That's only because you were seeing what was going on fucking Spy. Look at this shit, right? Clear break, and then we just held for no reason, and this candle just engulfed everything. Like this market, especially this week, right after the government shutdown and Trump with his bull, it just gets wonky and weird. And there's no point. All right. So just make sure you guys aren't risking too much and don't trade as much as you have to, bro. Like especially in this market, just keep your trades to minimum. And we'll see that when we're selling off again on Spy. What the fuck? I don't want to touch this. I don't want to touch this. Alright, boys. I will see you. Good luck.